Hi everyone. I get sent in loads of clips on a daily basis that don't make it onto the channel, but today's video is going to include some of these clips where honestly when I first saw them I thought, what are you moaning about? But there's an important message from today's video, and it's not to get triggered by things that don't really affect you. This clip was sent to me pointing out how bad the lane discipline of this black Audi in front was, but I sort of disagree. I'm going to explain a little bit. Yes, it didn't stay all the way around the left hand side, but how much did that affect people around? Well, it didn't affect our camera whatsoever. It could very well affect the people coming out of the road that the Audi went into, because they could maybe think it was going further round. But on that occasion, I don't think it affected anyone. Let's see how it goes with this roundabout. Yep, same again. But who's coming out? Well, it's difficult to see, but I don't think its position was confusing anyone that time. So it's no problem whatsoever, and it's in fact exactly the same that I would do on certain roundabouts if it didn't affect people. And so-called straight lining roundabouts is a good advanced skill when it's performed correctly. But in this particular example, I think if I was driving the Audi, I would have stayed fully in lane 1. And this is down to the proximity of all the other vehicles around, and mainly our camera. Let's skip ahead to the next roundabout. And again, the black Audi does exactly the same thing. So try not to point the finger at other people when it doesn't affect you, because there's no one around whatsoever here. And doing what the black Audi driver has just done actually saves fuel and therefore helps the environment. This is another clip that was sent in pointing out the van in front's poor driving. Late lane changing and a lack of signalling were highlighted by the sender. I'm going to fast forward between each of the talking points, and here's the first. I know the lane change was a little late, however, it didn't cause anyone any issues, and not everyone has got perfect local knowledge. It's a van which does deliveries. Perhaps they're unfamiliar with the area. It definitely didn't affect our camera though. This next point affects our camera a little, but again, not too much. You could sort of see this was going to happen. What do you think the van's going to do? And this goes back to my old point that people rely on signals far too much. There were other clues there that told you exactly what was going on. When traffic merges 2 lanes into 1, you don't need a signal, so the van's also okay here. We've also just spent a little bit of time looking at the black Audi and how it did roundabouts. Are there similarities with the van here? There's no one coming from the opposite side, so who did that affect? And who did the lack of signalling affect as well? Again, definitely not our camera. The van driver again drives actually pretty well through this section. But next to draw our camera's attention is the private hire to the right. Again, how much did that really affect our camera? They didn't have to speed up, slow down or avoid in any particular way. The private hire driver just used the space. There's nothing actually wrong with that. The van driver's signal is a little late. It's as he does the lane change, but it's not, again, too much of a big deal. No one was really being affected. As our camera turns left off the main road, they encounter someone turning round a little touch further up. How much did this affect our camera also? Yeah, they backed off the gas a little bit because it was a hazard, but it's not a big deal. Let's have a look at this clip, and in particular the silver car that's 3 or 4 vehicles in front. Yes, it does a little bit of a late lane change, but at least it's done safely, and for me, I'd prefer them to do this rather than act in a reckless manner on the roads. And this clip again, I think, affects the camera very little. The car in front is braking. It might be because there's a junction there. But it turns. No big deal. You should have been slower for this section anyway. This clip is a little different, but I just want to make the point of even if you see someone driving in this way, make certain that it doesn't affect you. Don't let it rile you either. For all you know, that could have been an undercover police officer on the way to a serious situation.
Please don't be put off from sending in any of your clips. There may very well have been something within this footage that you haven't realised and I'll be able to use as a learning point. But the main message from today's video is this: our journeys don't have to be so negative. Try and be half full rather than half empty. Keep safe everyone. I'll see you soon.